Hello everyone, welcome back to Anjigao classes. Now our topic we are going to discuss rounding of numbers. Okay. Now where we use this rounding of number in our daily life. So why we need to learn this topic? So I will explain you that. If someone asks you how much money do you have, you will reply that 30 rupees I have. So actual amount present at you is that not 30 rupees exactly. You have 31 or 32 rupees. But you are giving the answer is 30. So around 30 means you are giving the answer. That is rounding off. Okay. You have actually 31 rupees. But you are giving the answer I have 30 rupees. So for one more example. If someone asks you what is your age. Okay. Then what will you give the answer? You will give the answer I am 9 years old. I am 9 years old, but you are actually 9 years 2 months or 9 years 15 days. You are not mentioning that. You are just rounding off the 9 years. So you are saying like that. Na? So now in the same manner, we are going to learn rounding off nearest tens, rounding off nearest hundreds, rounding off nearest thousands. So we have to rounding off the numbers here. So see here, there are three rules present in the rounding. So those are when we round a number to nearest tens, we use the nearest multiples of tens. This is the first rule. Listen children. See here. When we round a number to the nearest tens, okay, nearest tens, we use the nearest multiple of 10. Note this point. Next point. When we round a number to nearest hundreds, when we round a number nearest hundreds, we use the nearest multiples of 100. We use the nearest multiples of 100. Second point. Now last point, third point. When we round a number to nearest 1000, we use the nearest multiples of 1000. So these are the three things you have to remember. So if you remember these three things, then you will answer all the questions very easily. Okay. Now we are moving to exercise 1.4, that is rounding of the numbers. Exercise 1.4. Okay children, exercise 1.4, that is rounding of the numbers. It contains only 3 bits. So see the first bit. Round these numbers to the nearest tens. Round these numbers to the nearest tens is given. So now I am writing shortcutly nearest tens rounding. Okay na? Rounding nearest tens. Okay. Now see here. First number is that what is given? First number 10,145 is given. 10,145. Read the number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 10,145. It is given. We have to round off the nearest tens. Nearest tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. We have to round off the nearest tens. Okay, clear? Now see here. 1,000, 10,000, 150 is our answer. 10,150 is our answer. Before this, how I am writing, why I am writing here 50? So you get the confusion now, you get the doubt now here. So I will explain you in a playway method. See here. Simple method. See here. Now consider this is a wave-like structure diagram. See here. Here is 45 is given. Na? So I am writing from 20 to writing. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So okay, it's not enough. Okay, I am start from 30 onwards. Okay, here place is not sufficient. Na? So I am start from 30 onwards. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So just you imagine this now, this wave-like structure. See here. For example, we are taking one small ball. This is a ball. Now here what is there? 45 is there. So that ball is here now. This ball will move here or move here. This ball goes to 50, nearest to 50. For example, suppose here 43 is there. 43. The ball is here. the ball will move to here or here. The ball will move to the 40s, not to the 50s. Everyone clear? So here slope is towards 40 side. Yes or no? Here slope is towards 50 side. So what is the nearest tens of 145? That is 50. Everyone clear? Now our answer is 10,150. Everyone clear? 10,150 is our answer. So you have to draw like this diagram and imagine. Like this is an example I have given. So next number is, so what is the next number? Round off the number to the nearest hundreds. Round off the number. Sorry, this is the first bit now. So okay, one more problem I am going to explain. Now what is the second bit? B bit given 7,83,093. So what is the question given? Round these numbers nearest tens. So nearest tens means only you can to focus on ones tens. Okay, tens only you have to focus on tens. Okay, see here. Now 93 is there. For example, I am drawing the diagram. See here. Now this is 90. This is 95. This is 100. See here. Now it is 93 is there. Ball is here. 93. Now it moves towards to 90. Okay. So what is the answer here? 7,83,090. Everyone clear? 7,83,090. So like this you have to complete all the problems. I will explain one more problem. See here. What is the next one? C bit given. C bit is that 1,346 is given. 1,346. We have to focus on ones tens, only tens, up to tens. Okay, now see, rounding off the number nearest tens is 1,350. Everyone clear? 350. Why 350? It is on the top. Here, for example, here is 45 is there. Here 40 is there. Here 50 is there. So ball is here now. Okay, ball is here. What is given here? 46 now. Ball is here. So ball moves to 50, nearest 50. Everyone clear? So our answer is 1,350. So next one, see the next one, D1. What is the D1 given? 11,003. See here, 11,003. So if you want to know this very easily, I will explain you nearest thousands concept, nearest tens concept. But this concept will be helpful to everything. Okay, see here. See here now. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So now what is given here? 11,003 is given. 3 is given. Okay, simple 3 is given. See, 3 is given. 3. This is a ball. Okay, this ball moves towards here. Towards here means what is here? 0. Okay, towards here. Okay, now what is the rounding off number here? 11,000 is a rounding off number. So 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Now for example, I am giving examples, just those are not in the textbook, but I am giving. See here. What is the nearest rounding off number for 6? Tens. That is 10. Here ball is here, 6. So it moves towards to 10. Okay. Now 11. 11 is here. What is the rounding number of 11? 10. See here, ball is here. This ball moves towards 10. Now what is the nearest tenth rounding off number for 6 completed? Now 7. 7. See here. Here 7 is there. It moved towards to 10. So what is the rounding of nearest 8? Here 8 is there. It is also 10. So after 5 and after 5 to 9, it belongs to 10. Okay, before 5, before 4, before numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, those are zeros, belongs to 0. Nearest rounding number 0. Okay, clear? So now we are moving to the Next, multiples of tens. Okay, children, now completed now. Next one, what is the next concept given? Round these numbers nearest 100. Nearest 100. Nearest 100. Round this number nearest 100. Okay. Nearest hundreds. Okay. Now, first take the first number. What is the first number given? 4,05,009. So 4,05,009 is given. Na? So we have to round off the nearest hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So what is the answer here? 4,05,000. That's it. 4,05,000. Okay, clear, understood everyone? Because here only single 9 is there. It is in ones place. In hundreds place any number is given? No, it's not any number not given here. So next one, B bit. So what is the B bit given? 14,910. We have to round off the nearest hundreds. See here, nearest hundreds. 14,900. Everyone clear? One more time, draw this diagram here. Here what is here? Here 9,000. Here 950. Here 900. So here 910 is there. 910 is here. Now this ball moves towards to 900. Okay, clear? So next one, C bit. What is the C bit given? 86,950. 950. So now see here, same ball. Here 950 is there. It will move towards to 1000. So that is answer is 86,000. Sorry, 86, not 87,000. Okay, clear everyone? If you add 86,000 plus 1,000, how much? How many thousands? 87,000. Yes or no? Yes. So this is 87,000 is our answer. Next one. What is the next bit given? Nearest thousands. Now nearest thousands. Now we have to see the multiples of nearest thousands. Okay, multiples of thousands. Okay. Now what is the first one given? This is the third bit. Okay. What is the first one given? Round these numbers nearest thousands. Okay. 9,77,648 is given. 9,77,648 is given. Just we have to round off the nearest thousands number. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here 7,000 here given. 7,000 is given. Na? So 7,000 after which number is there? 600. So 76 will move downwards. So that means 9,78,000. 9,78,000. This is our answer. Okay. See here. This 7,648 is in between. See here. 7,000. This is 7,000. And one more number is there. That is 7,500. Now 8,000. So here what number is given? 7,648 is given. Here 7,648 is there. 600. It is nearer to which one? Which number? 7,648 is nearer to 8,000. Everyone clear? Yes. That's the reason we are. I wrote the answer 7,800. So next one, B bit. See the B bit. 35,502. 35,502. So this 35,502 is given. We have to round off nearest thousands now. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So here after 5 digit, which digit is there? 5. So we move to the down. That means 36,000. This is our answer. Okay. Nearest thousands now I am rounding nearest thousands. So that's the reason I am saying only I am focusing on only thousands number. Okay. Now next one. What is the next question given? C bit. 2,36,473 is given. Now we have to round off nearest thousands. 2,36,400 is there. 36,000 is our rounding off number. Because 6 after which number is there? 4 is there. 4 means roll down, roll back. Okay. It will move to here, this like this. Okay, slope. Okay, what is the slope here given here? 6,000 is given here. 6,500 is given here. Here 7,000 is given. But here ball is here. Okay, na? So it will move towards 6,000. So this is our exercise, children. You have to complete remaining all. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.